Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today we're going to talk about the EWeLink Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth Smart Plug USA Socket Wireless Switch Smart Home Appliance Scene Linkage Google Home Voice Assistant. This amazing gadget is a game changer for your home appliances, and I'm here to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the connectivity. This smart plug connects to your home Wi-Fi network, giving you the power to control your appliances from anywhere using just your smartphone. No more worrying about whether you turned off the lights or unplugged the iron. With this smart plug, it's all in the palm of your hand. But that's not all. This little beauty also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can control your appliances with voice commands. That's right, just sit back and relax while you control your home with simple voice commands. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real and it's available to you right now. And the control doesn't stop there. With the EWeLink Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth smart plug, you can link multiple appliances together to create scenes. That means you can control all of your linked appliances with a single command. Imagine coming home and saying, "Hey Google, movie time," and having your lights dim, your TV turn on, and your popcorn maker start popping. It's not just convenient, it's downright magical. So if you're ready to take your home into the future, click the link in the description to get your hands on the EWeLink Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth Smart Plug USA Socket Wireless Switch Smart Home Appliance Scene Linkage Google Home Voice Assistant. Trust me, once you have it, you won't know how you lived without it. Don't wait, upgrade your home today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips.